Hey, welcome to my channel. So today it's just an eyeshadow tutorial, it's not a face tutorial. I used the James Charles palette today to create this eye look. I got the inspiration from a YouTuber, her name's Holly Boone. She does a lot of really pretty eyeshadow tutorials and she does fashion on her channel, but I'll link it below if you guys are interested. Subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. Just click that little bell notification and you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's just get right on to the tutorial. I'm just going to apply my base. This is the e.l.f. It's just the e.l.f. concealer. It looks like this. Put it under my brows here. That base is like really sheer. I don't like that, so I'm just going to add a bit of fun. This is just Instant Eraser by Maybelline. Magic Eraser, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And then I'm just going to set it with like a translucent powder. Okay, so then we're going to take this red from the James Charles palette. Right there. That bright red. And we're going to take that with Jeffree Star JS6. It looks like this. So I got it on my brush. I'm trying to find my right angle too with my camera and stuff. I have a new camera setup, so I'm sorry if it's not the best. Okay, I'm going to do my other eye. And then I'm going to take Morphe M506. It looks like that. It's just a lot smaller. And I'm going to take that bright pink right there. I'm going to try to blend out this red. Just this brush is just a cheap dinky brush, and I'm going to take that yellow, just that bright yellow in the palette. Do my eyebrows. Kind of going for like a sunset eye. I really don't like that brush. Let's try this one. This one is just a Quo. It's like a no-name brush. I'm just going to take a brush with like nothing on it. I'm just going to try to blend. I'm going to just take a bit of that orange color. I'm going to go back in with that Morphe brush. And go back in with that red shade. Okay, I'm just gonna blend everything because everything looks a bit cray-cray. Then I'm going to cut the middle out. I'm going to use like a flat brush like this. Really flat. I'm just going to take this light pink right there. I'm just going to take like a shader brush, like those ones you use for your... And I'm just going to take that white color from the James Charles palette. I'm going to take that bright pink and put it on the inside and the outside. I think I can just do that orange. Oh, and then a little bit of yellow. And then I'm going to take that red and kind of just go like that. And then in the middle I'm going to put that white color. Sorry, my camera was full. So we're going to do liner. So this is just by Essence, just like a regular liquid eyeliner. Black. I ran out of black eyeliner, so I'm just going to water my do my waterline with dark brown. I'm just going to start with this. This is just Ultimate Lash by Marcel. So I'm just going to pop my lashes on. If you guys are wondering, I'm using these ones. I just got them off Amazon. Yeah, so I'm just going to pop those on. And I'm going to finish my face makeup and then, yeah, I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. So yeah, that's the end of this eyeshadow tutorial. I finished my makeup and I pop my eyelashes on. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!